What is liquefaction during earthquakes? Have you ever wondered how the ground can suddenly turn to liquid during an earthquake? This phenomenon is known as liquefaction, and it can have serious consequences. So, what exactly is liquefaction during earthquakes? Liquefaction occurs when saturated soil loses its strength and stiffness due to intense shaking. Imagine the ground beneath your feet behaving like a liquid instead of a solid. This happens when seismic waves from an earthquake increase the pressure of water within the soil. As the water pressure rises, it reduces the contact forces between soil grains, causing the soil structure to collapse. When soil is saturated, it means that the spaces between the soil particles are completely filled with water. Under normal conditions, these soil grains support the weight of the ground and any structures above. However, during a strong earthquake, the shaking disturbs the soil grains, leading to a sharp rise in water pressure. This increased pressure counteracts the forces holding the soil grains together, making the soil behave like a fluid. The effects of liquefaction can be quite hazardous. Buildings and infrastructure may experience uneven settlement or tilt because the soil beneath them can no longer support their weight. Buried utilities, such as sewer pipes and tanks, might float upward or become displaced. Ground cracks can open up, and water or sand may be ejected to the surface, sometimes causing flooding or sand boils. Another dangerous effect is lateral spreading, where large sections of ground move horizontally. This can damage roads, bridges, and retaining walls. Soils that are most susceptible to liquefaction tend to be loose, sandy, or silty, often with uniform grain sizes. These soils are frequently found in areas with recently deposited or man-made fills. The depth of the water table and the duration and intensity of the shaking also play a role in whether liquefaction will occur. Understanding liquefaction is essential for assessing earthquake risk and designing safe foundations. In earthquake-prone areas, planning urban development with liquefaction in mind can help reduce potential damage and loss of life. By knowing how liquefaction works, we can better prepare for the impacts of natural disasters like earthquakes and tsunamis.